Does she go to the dentist every 6 months? She goes to the dentist every 6 months. She doesn't go to the dentist every 6 months. Does she go to the gym to exercise? She goes to the gym to exercise. She doesn't go to the gym to exercise. Does he go to the bakery for fresh bread? He goes to the bakery for fresh bread. He doesn't go to the bakery for fresh bread. Does she go to bed early during the week? She goes to bed early during the week. She doesn't go to bed early during the week. Does he go to the beach every summer? He goes to the beach every summer. He doesn't go to the beach every summer. Does she go to the park on weekends? She goes to the park on weekends. She doesn't go to the park on weekends. Does she go to the mall to shop for clothes? She goes to the mall to shop for clothes. She doesn't go to the mall to shop for clothes. Does she go to the library to borrow books? She goes to the library to borrow books. She doesn't go to the library to borrow books. Does she go to the cafe for a coffee? She goes to the cafe for a coffee. She doesn't go to the cafe for a coffee. Does she go to the movies with her friends? She goes to the movies with her friends. She doesn't go to the movies with her friends. Does he go to the museum to see art? He goes to the museum to see art. He doesn't go to the museum to see art. Does she go to the stadium to watch sports? She goes to the stadium to watch sports. She doesn't go to the stadium to watch sports. Does she go to the zoo to see animals? She goes to the zoo to see animals. She doesn't go to the zoo to see animals. Does she go to the market to buy vegetables? She goes to the market to buy vegetables. She doesn't go to the market to buy vegetables. Does she go to the doctor for a checkup? She goes to the doctor for a checkup. She doesn't go to the doctor for a checkup. Does he go to the pharmacy for medicine? He goes to the pharmacy for medicine. He doesn't go to the pharmacy for medicine. Does he go to the bank to deposit money? He goes to the bank to deposit money. He doesn't go to the bank to deposit money. Does she go to the park to play soccer? She goes to the park to play soccer. She doesn't go to the park to play soccer. Does she go to the bookstore to buy books? She goes to the bookstore to buy books. She doesn't go to the bookstore to buy books. Does he go to the river to fish? He goes to the river to fish. He doesn't go to the river to fish. Does he go to the playground with his kids? He goes to the playground with his kids. He doesn't go to the playground with his kids. Does she go to the theater to watch plays? She goes to the theater to watch plays. She doesn't go to the theater to watch plays. Does he go to the cafe to meet friends? He goes to the cafe to meet friends. He doesn't go to the cafe to meet friends. Does he go to the bar to have a drink? He goes to the bar to have a drink. He doesn't go to the bar to have a drink. Does he go to the gym to lift weights? He goes to the gym to lift weights. He doesn't go to the gym to lift weights. Does he go to the track to run? He goes to the track to run. He doesn't go to the track to run. Does he go to the pool to swim? He goes to the pool to swim. He doesn't go to the pool to swim. Does he go to the restaurant for dinner? He goes to the restaurant for dinner. He doesn't go to the restaurant for dinner. Does she go to the forest to hike? She goes to the forest to hike. She doesn't go to the forest to hike. Does he go to the lake to relax? He goes to the lake to relax. He doesn't go to the lake to relax. Does she go to the fair to have fun? She goes to the fair to have fun. She doesn't go to the fair to have fun. Does he go to the nightclub to dance? He goes to the nightclub to dance. He doesn't go to the nightclub to dance. Does she go to the butcher to buy meat? She goes to the butcher to buy meat. She doesn't go to the butcher to buy meat. Does he go to the florist to buy flowers? He goes to the florist to buy flowers. He doesn't go to the florist to buy flowers. Does he go to the park to walk? He goes to the park to walk. He doesn't go to the park to walk. Does she go to the river to kayak? She goes to the river to kayak. She doesn't go to the river to kayak. Does he go to the hills to camp? He goes to the hills to camp. He doesn't go to the hills to camp. Does she go to the gym to do yoga? She goes to the gym to do yoga. She doesn't go to the gym to do yoga. Does she go to the mall to window shop? She goes to the mall to window shop. She doesn't go to the mall to window shop. Does she go to the market to buy fruit? She goes to the market to buy fruit. She doesn't go to the market to buy fruit. Does he go to the office every day? He goes to the office every day. He doesn't go to the office every day. Does she go to the park to read? She goes to the park to read. She doesn't go to the park to read. Does she go to the beach to sunbathe? She goes to the beach to sunbathe. She doesn't go to the beach to sunbathe. Does she go to the library to study? She goes to the library to study. She doesn't go to the library to study. Does she go to the pool to relax? She goes to the pool to relax. She doesn't go to the pool to relax. Does she go to the forest to camp? She goes to the forest to camp. She doesn't go to the forest to camp. Does she go to the gym to train? She goes to the gym to train. She doesn't go to the gym to train. Does she go to the playground to play? She goes to the playground to play. She doesn't go to the playground to play.